You know, there's a scene in the music video where जब आप लोगों की वो जो साथ फेरा हो रहा है, the वरमाला that happens, did it take you back to your wedding?
Yes, absolutely.
वो हमारा छठवा फेरा था actually, sixth time we
Sixth
were taking
फेरा,
that.
yeah.
एक बार
Yeah.
हमने वहाँ शादी की, फिर हमने-
6 शादी थी
हमारी है ना,
हम बहुत शादी
हमने
करते
कई
हैं।
बार हम ऐसे
एक दूसरे से करते हो, that's a good thing.
बस वही गिने वही
हमें
वाली।
जहाँ मौका मिलता है वहाँ शादी कर लेते हैं। So it's like this. So yeah.
हाँ, तो हमने जब बिग बॉस एंटर कर रहे थे तो सलमान साहब ने उस टाइम हमारे फेरे करवाए
हमने
थे।
यूरोप में शादी
हमने
की
यूरोप
थी।
में एक बार कर ली थी। हम जहाँ घूमने जाते हैं वहाँ पे कर लेते, चलो यार एक बार फेरे मार लेते हैं फिर से।
No, but it's these small things, right, that keep it strong.
Keep it alive and very strong.
These are the only memories what you have. Otherwise, what
Absolutely.
is the relationship all about?
And I'm very
that
sure जब हम
Ankita,
बूढ़े हो जाएंगे ना और जब ये सारी चीजें
so
देखेंगे
you'll have that so much
you know,
in your
I always
collection
create
and-
those memories for my babies, you know. I always tell him कि मुझे ना चाहिए जब हमारे बच्चे हो जाएंगे, then they'll watch this कि मम्मा पापा ऐसे थे, you know. That will be something very interesting क्योंकि
Yeah,
वो तो
yeah.
ये सारी चीजें नहीं देख पाएंगे.
and we
So
do
I-
not, and we don't realize actually.
Yeah,
but
so
if
I
you have
want them to
that,
see. और your,
it's damn good.
I have each and every video of my life. जो मैं इतने बड़े-बड़े festivals, whatever I celebrate, you know, I make sure that we have families in it, we have friends in it, so that you know it's all. When you will see it, you know, after 20 years of your life, you will say, "Wow, yeah, what life
These
we
are
have
the memories.
lived," you
these
know,
are the memories.
like
then
you know,
only you
that
can
way.
relive those moments again.
So Anvi ki Rasleela also started that way, you know, like you know,
Holi,
yeah,
Holi.
Holi.
Absolutely.
We just thought, no, we should have this every year so that we are creating something for, you know, जब बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो होली खेलेंगे, अपनी होली खेल लीजिए.
बिल्कुल.
With that thought process, you.
It's also sharing a part of your life with your fans, right? I mean, they have rooted for you so much
Yeah.
throughout.
Yeah.
But somehow we're not very good with it. We actually we only do things for our personal this thing.
No,
Yeah.
that's
Always
great.
Yeah.
has
We
this,
do-
you know, she
it's
likes
not-
to
yeah.
keep doing all this because she wants to have those memories stored and captured in a way that, you know, so and she's the one who actually goes and sees it. There are so many times we're doing nothing in the house, we're just chilling and she's like, so let's watch our first Holi, and then she'll play the whole episodes.
I to watch my marriage
She,
also.
marriage,
मैं इसको कितनी बार
she
दिखाने को
has
बोलती हूँ.
seen our marriage videos for like
Many
so
times.
many
I
times.
still see my feras and I still cry.
she's
I
like,
still
see
feel
baby,
that,
तेरे को
you
ये
know.
याद है, तेरे को वो याद है, you know. So शायद हम हर कोई इंसान ऐसा नहीं होता है, और आप जब क्योंकि बहुत एफर्ट्स लगते हैं इन सारी
बिल्कुल,
चीज़ों के लिए, और समटाइम्स यू डोंट वांट टू टेक दोज एफर्ट्स, तो हम उसको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते कि उसको करना है कि नहीं
But
करना
this
है.
is
But
very
ये बहुत
important.
efforts
It's a
लेती है
very
उसकी.
important part of a life. You can't. मतलब see, work is also important, but love is also very important.
Very, very.
Because if love is there, no, you'll be happily working.
Absolutely, I
You know,
agree with you.
अगर आप दुखी हो ना किसी एक पार्ट में भी किसी लाइफ की, you can't focus on the other.
Yeah, it
And that
spills over.
happens. So for me, love is my priority. My family is my priority. My husband is my priority. And with that, I want to give my best to my work. You know, so it's a balance of both the things. You can't have one thing best or एक चीज खराब. You can't have, because you want both the things.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं, you don't want it. Otherwise, you will not marry only, no. So this is very important to have that romance in your life that keeps you fresh, that keeps you young, that keeps you alive. That's what I feel. So I keep sending him pictures. पुराने कहीं से आ जाते हैं, मतलब विविध याद है तेरे को. And my memory is so sharp that I will have all the details behind that scene. कि कब हम कहाँ गए थे, मैंने ये क्या किया था, ये क्यों हुआ था. So it's kind of
But
frustrating.
the problem is when it turns into a test. So now, you know, so okay, fine. So one small picture has been shared, and then like, तेरे को याद है उस दिन ये क्या हुआ था? And I'm like,
और अगर
अच्छा,
बाय चांस याद नहीं हो तो तब क्या
ऐसा
होता है?
कुछ नहीं होता.
तो
फिर मैं
वही
उसको याद
होता है
दिला
जो-
देती हूँ. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं
फिर
होता.
तो वही होता है जो सब जगह.
नहीं,
Vicky has a different story to tell.
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कभी करती रही हूँ. अब बस मुंह पर ऐसा ओके ठीक है बेबी तुझे याद नहीं, और उससे ज्यादा कर ही क्या सकता है इंसान. याद ही दिला सकती हूँ मैं उसको.
तो अब हम समझ गए हैं कि कब
तो
क्या
याद रखो फिर.
Yeah.
देखा, याद रखो.
देखा.
मतलब
Subtly she's saying it.
reliving memories is a good idea.
Yeah, of course.
But ये टेस्ट में जो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है ना, ये थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है.
I'm going to feed all the memories in one email ID and I'll just put the password to me. And मैंने विकी से भी शेयर किया था. Remember I told you that I want to create all the memories and put it in one email ID. And my kids will be 18 years old and I'll give them a password. Now open it.
Artist.
So
You know,
they
जो
will have
artist
so
इंसान
many
होता है ना,
things
उसके
to
thought
watch.
ही ऐसे चलते हैं.
You know,
हमेशा
they'll have so
artistic,
many things to
drama.
watch.
But baby talks have begun.
Yeah, we always talk about babies.
Always. हम जब से
Always.
रिलेशनशिप शुरू हुआ है तो हम
बच्चे
हमेशा
तो फ्यूचर है ना
शादी,
यार,
बच्चों
इससे
की
छुपाना
बात
क्या है, वो तो होगी कभी ना
अच्छा, और
कभी.
हमने लाइफ में इतना समय लेके इन चीजों के बारे में मतलब डिसीजंस लिए, वी वर ऑलरेडी क्वाइट लेट, तो अभी फिर मतलब सब चीजें ऐसी हैं कि करना ही है सब.
It's
It
not
has to
कब
go hand
होंगे
in
क्या
hand.
होंगे we don't know. But you talk about the future,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it's about that. The
Yeah.
plan. It's a good feeling to talk about. Yeah.
Right, right.
There will be time. We'll have my time.
Hi, it's Vicky Jain,
Hi, this is Ankita Lokhande Jain.
and you're watching us on News 18.